When the testing is done, we thoroughly review the results with the fleet. We also consult with the fleet's original equipment manufacturer. A thorough data analysis will allow us to evaluate the added stress on the oil and on the equipment. My experience has shown that most oil drain interval extensions are limited by the accumulation of contaminants as a result of the engine technology and the duty cycles. The data analysis will also help us understand the impact that the technology of the equipment has on maintenance cost and component durability and reliability. We use this activity to correlate the used oil analysis results to actual equipment condition, and it's a process that we use to calibrate our ability to make these correlations. At this point, we will update the original cost savings to reflect the actual benefits of the validated, optimized oil drain intervals. Often, this is when fleet owners and maintenance managers get most excited. That's because they'll have an enhanced maintenance plan that's been fully validated via a data-driven method.